Hi, I'm interior designer Vanessa DeLeon, and welcome to a brownstone I designed in Jersey City. My client wanted to convert this early 1900 brownstone and modernize it for a work-live situation, and I'm excited to show you. Come follow me. When we opened up the staircase, I knew that this was going to be a great opportunity for a wine cellar. It was important for me to keep a lot of the elements from the original brownstone. So I actually exposed the brick that was there, add some cedar planks inside, added some floating shelves, LED lights, some glass, and voila, we have a beautiful wine cellar. We're now in the family room. I split up the space with a bar, fireplace, and a beautiful sitting area. This was a big blank wall, and I really wanted to create drama here. That's why I designed this space with this bump out for the fireplace. I also wanted something interesting flanking the fireplace, so I decided to bring these two beautiful sconces just to create a moment. Here in the bar, I wanted to use colors that are a bit more unconventional, so I decided to use this beautiful blue laminate, the countertops a marble with some blue veining, floating shelves in a natural wood finish, and some gold accent in the hardware for the cabinet as well. One of my absolute favorite spaces in this brownstone is the backyard. It's expansive and beautiful. We have a barbecue that has full refrigeration, a lounging area with a fire pit, blue stone when you first walk out, and a gorgeous horizontal wood plank throughout the entire backyard as fencing. It's so beautiful out here, it even looks good in the winter. Here we are on the second level, where it consists of a primary room with an ensuite, a guest room with an ensuite, and then dining and kitchen area. Since the dining and kitchen area is one big space, I really wanted to keep it very minimal. On the countertop, I used a waterfall edge here with a large vein marble. I really wanted to make sure we use high-end appliances to really elevate the space. To finish it all off, I added this beautiful smoked walnut cabinetry to give it a real high contrast with all the light finishes throughout. And the attention to detail doesn't stop here. Let me show you the primary ensuite. In the primary bedroom, I wanted to create a retreat from the rest of the home. Around this room, you'll find light grays, whites, creams, and ivories. And to add a little bling and high drama, I used these beautiful pendants that flank the headboard. I love dressing up my bed, and I feel like more is more when it comes to pillows. I use a high headboard here for the drama, and I layered silks, velvets, quilts, and overlays. I wanted to create a bit of whimsy and playfulness, and that's why I chose a Sputnik lamp over the bed. And best of all, I use a cove lighting detail. You can shut off all the lights and create a beautiful halo on your ceiling. For the primary bathroom, I wanted to make it as equally relaxing as the bedroom. As an interior designer who loves to live on the edge, I wanted to use a material in here that was off the beaten path. So I found this beautiful marble that had blue and beige veins. It felt serene, yet bold and beautiful. And you could also find dramatic lighting over the vanity. And the best part of the room is overlooking the garden. In a city like this, you have to stand out amongst the rest. And by using elevated finishes, bold accents, and unique installations is how I achieved that. Thanks for watching.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?